A very good afternoon to all of you. No response. Good afternoon, children. Yes. Most respected Rajagopalan sir, retired education officer, Sri J.N. Sharma sir, principal of this Vidyalaya, and now he has come from Delhi. Staff members from various Kendriya Vidyalayas, from Vizag and from other parts of the country, staff of this Vidyalaya, and my dear students. It includes the members of the alumni as well as the present students who are studying in this Vidyalaya. I stand before you as a representative from the three principals side. Rajagopalan sir, who had sown the seed, and later on, now, after J.N. Sharma sir, a number of principals have also worked here, and now this has grown into a very big tree. So at the outset, I would like to congratulate all the members of the Alumni Association for their wonderful planning, execution, and success of this program. We are yet to find a word in the dictionary to congratulate these small kids. And never we also imagined that on such a large scale this event will be concluding. I have also joined the Sangathan as a teacher right from college. Never we have met our old friends again, neither the schoolmates nor the college mates. But this platform had been a very good arena for all the old friends to meet, exchange their sweet memories about their childhood days. Given a chance, every student would like to share their memories here. Since we are running out of time, we had to curtail. Otherwise, every batch, not only the 91 batch, the remaining batches who are here, they would also like to share some of their good things with their friends. Coming to the program, it was very well planned. So I would like all of you to give a very big round of applause for Krishnam Raju and his small team he had in Vizag in coordinating the things. No doubt we have got the alumni members from as far as from abroad, that is from Canada, but still the local person has made an elaborate arrangement. He has been in touch with us all the time. And it was really a very grand success. How we have finished 2 days program, we ourselves are not aware. You have enjoyed. At the same time, our teachers have also enjoyed. And we as principals also are away from the regular core. And really, it is a marvelous experience for all of us and a very memorable one. Rajagopalan sir, who laid the foundation stone for this Vidyalaya, must be the happiest person today to see this school coming out with all novel things. This alumni meet, of course, many old schools are doing it, but our school is celebrating now the Silver Jubilee, and 25 years we have completed, and launching this alumni meet, it was really a memorable one. my students of KV Picket, every year in the month of December, they do meet and they invite all the teachers who have worked there. But due to some reason or the other, we are unable to attend the meet. But never I thought in KV NAD, I will be launching such a big association with lot of resources and enthusiastic students. Really, hats off to all of you for taking this initiative. And I think Rajagopalan sir and Sharma sir will also endorse upon this. And all that we wish is, let it not be a 2-day show alone. So let it continue so that we see the number of teachers who have assembled here to be almost more than the students. We want you to have some more link with the old students so that your team will be still stronger. And as you know, the need of the hour is only a team spirit, and wherever an individual is working, it may not be a success. It is the team effort which will give you maximum success. So we three who are present here, and the senior most is our Rajagopalan sir and J.N. Sharma sir, who have been in the Sangathan for a long time, and it is our Honorable Commissioner's desire also that every Vidyalaya, the Alumni Association should be the backbone of the Vidyalaya, where they come up with novel things, come up with a good action plan for the betterment of the present batch of students. So my dream has at last come true, that at KVNAD we could have an alumni association formed which is functional with hand of very, very enthusiastic, very resourceful members. So I congratulate all the members who are present here and who could not be present for today's function also, for all they have done to launch this very big satellite, I should say, and let this work of them continue forever. You must have gone for many meets, but the relationship between a teacher and a student is evergreen. We always consider you as students, whatever may be your post, and you also give the same respect of a guru. Whereas in other organizations, in other departments, you don't have a relationship like this. We pay more heed to you than our own kids. We neglect our children at times, but we take care of the children of the Vidyalaya. This is really a noble profession, and with such alumni association, there will be more number of children who will be motivated to get into this profession, which is now not taken up at all. Everybody wants to be working in an MNC, or they want to go for software, hardware. But our alumni association members have shown that varied talents are there in every child. The very good singer, yes, a special round of applause for him for his wonderful performance. We didn't know how he had the coordination with the orchestra. We didn't have a single instrument over here, but he was singing to tune. And it really needs more practice. Otherwise, music will be somewhere and he will be singing something else. Perfect coordination. So congratulations, child. We wish you all the best. And next we come to the magician. We are old, but really it is a striking experience for us. We have seen many magic shows. Still we are pondering over the question how you could get such things. But you are a very professional magician. You have not revealed a single secret to the audience. So this shows that you want to come up in life. Although morning I had requested him at least one of the technique you tell the children. But no problem. But it really shows that he has a zeal to work on this and he would like to grow on that particular field. So really, whether you become a cobbler, you become a doctor or an engineer, you should be the best. So this is what we pray as teachers. There are many professions to take, there are many works you can do, but do with sincerity, do with dedication, do with devotion, and always God will be with you. We wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and I once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every member of the Alumni Association as well as the teachers who have come over here to make this program a very grand success. So once again, congratulations to all of you. And of course, here and there, we had to check the length of the program because some students had to go back. So we do apologize for it. But whenever it is a crisp and short program, everybody will enjoy a lot. So with these few words, on behalf of the gurus who are sitting there, Rajgopalan sir, and on behalf of Sharma sir, I would once again congratulate these alumni members as well as each and everyone who are present here for this function. Thank you very much.